guys, welcome back. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio, and today I have a haul for you. This is a Happy Mail unboxing of my really reasonable ribbon design team allotment. I did go a little bit overboard and picked up some extra flowers. There was also some new ribbon varieties in, so of course I had to have those. First thing in the box is my ribbon club assortment for next month, which is top secret-y, so I put it in a bag. The new ribbons that she has in are so amazing. Look at this. This is going on every Easter card I make from here on out. They're plaid, and this one is the green, ivory, and pink. It's very satiny, and the edge is stitched. And let me tell you guys, this is so soft. I just know this is going to make the most gorgeous poofy bow. And these colors are like shabby, and vintagey and all the things I love. Here's another one. Of course, this reminds me of the Easter Bunny. I think that is just gorgeous for the holiday. This has a more summery vibe. It has the orange, fuchsia, orange, and lavender. I don't see a lot of lavender in this, but that orange and fuchsia combination is just super warm and summery, and that is going to go great for summer mini albums and cards. Here is another one. This just reminds me of Easter again. Purple, lavender, and parrot. And I don't know what color parrot is meant to be, because I see purple and lavender, but maybe green is parrot. It's gorgeous. This is about a ½ inch wide, by the way. Generally, I'm using 5/8 of an inch. This is only just slightly narrower, so it's just going to be a nice poofy bow. And then this last one, parrot, fuchsia, and yellow. So these are all the new plaids, and I am going to have to order more of this one already because I'm going to use it on everything. So that's the plaids. I picked up more gray plaid because I was running low, and more of the light gray wrinkle ribbon. I've been using that quite a bit as well. Here is some stamens. How can I have run out of this already? I do not know, but I've just been putting them in everything. So this is gray. The double-headed stamens are what I use when I take the middles out of the magnolia flowers, and then I replace them with these because the yellow is nice for some projects, but I'm usually making things that are vintagey, so I like to replace the yellow with these. So here's gray. Here is deep coffee. I picked up 2 of those. And then also the light coffee. This is more pinky gray, I think. So that is going to be a great addition to my flower making lineup. Now, onto those flowers I talked about. I picked up this gray color of open rose because I've not seen this before, Parma Gray. So that's very beautiful, and I've not had these yet. I've had these before, but it's going to be Easter if we get through the polar vortex eventually. Actually, here in Michigan, they're forecasting another winter storm warning tonight, which makes me very sad. But alas, if you wait long enough, spring will come. And so I picked up cherry blossoms. These are two-tone pink and ivory. That is a beautiful combination because the color is just on the tip, so it's very subtle and very shabby chic inspired. I'm sorry if the plastic is making a lot of noise. So these are also blossoms, but this time apple blossom instead of cherry blossom. And the difference you can see is that the petals on the cherry blossoms cup upward, and then on the apple blossoms they cup downward. So it's sort of a different kind of arrangement, but they're the similar size, and these make great filler flowers around your focal flowers, the larger ones like these, which are a mixed blue tone trellis rose in beautiful colors ombre on some of them, and then this is really beautiful for the Glamour collection, which I've been working with the Authentique papers, new collection that will go perfectly. Some more that are perfect for spring and summer. And then last but not least, this big mega bag of mixed pink magnolia. I like that there was a couple white ones in here as well, and some very subtle pinks. I don't know how well that will pick up if I don't take them out of the bag, but some I want to call fuchsia, and some dark pink, light pink, and white. That's a great combination. And like I said, I've just been replacing the stamens in the middle with these more vintagey inspired ones so that they will match my vintage projects. So this is all for my design team allotment, and if you are interested, I will leave a link in the description below for Really Reasonable ribbon, and you do definitely need to pick up these new plaids because they are so gorgeous. You are going to love having them for your spring projects. Okay, if you enjoyed this project, make sure you give me a like, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!